The pointer is a 2D object with a couple of different options for us to adjust it. And you can see when we drag it down into the scene tree or scene editor, how it's basically a 2-point pointer. And if we click on the icon to go into the pointer properties, there are several different things here that we can adjust to get the pointer just as you want it. First, you have the UseLOD again on by default. Below that, we have a 0.1x, and this is the first point within our pointer. So you have your option there to adjust that along with the 0.1y. So you can see as I adjust this 0.1y what it's doing to our pointer object. We also have the 0.2x here, and this will adjust our second point here where the arrow is. We also have a 0.2y, and this will adjust the second point on the y-axis. There's a width for the pointer, so you can see as I adjust the width here how it's affecting that. Now at the end we have a cap style, so we can do a cap style flat, we can do a cap style circle, and then also a cap style arrow. So we have that option for both ends, a flat, a circle, and an arrow. Now if you do have it set to arrow, you have your arrow length and width that you can adjust down here, so you can make your arrow pointers bigger. And then if you have it set to circle, you can come down here and adjust the circle radius of this pointer too. You also have your circle segments, which you can adjust from 3 to 100.